So, I'm sorry for as my video is late. So, today we will learn about class 10th, okay? About the class 10th, and what we'll learn is that we will learn a topic named as photosynthesis, okay? So, let us start, okay? The process by which green plants make their own food from the carbon dioxide, water, and by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll is called, just a minute, is called photosynthesis. Okay, so what is this process? Let me teach you. Okay, it is the process. Yeah, we know that it is a process by which green plants, only the green plants, as we know, the food, uh, we are heterotrophs means we humans and animals are heterotrophs, and plants are autotrophs as they make their own food. So in green plants they make their own food from with the help of carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight energy. Okay, so uh, carbon dioxide, CO2, H2O, and with the help of sunlight energy and in the presence of chlorophyll, they make their own food. So, and all this process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, let's go. Now we'll learn a chart. So this is the chart. Let me see. Sorry. So this is the chart. Okay, what do we understand from this? So 6 CO2 means 6 molecules of CO2, 6 molecules of CO2, 6 molecules of H2O in the presence of sunlight and in the presence of chlorophyll, they make C6H12O6 means glucose. None other than that. Okay, so it has been written down that it is glucose, as many of them forgot this chemical reaction or equation, we can say. So it is C6H12O6, which is glucose. Okay, so and plus not only glucose is formed, also oxygen is formed. As we know these plants give us oxygen also. Oh, sorry, these plants give us oxygen also. Oxygen, yes, they give us oxygen. Okay, so it is here, oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Okay, they give us oxygen, so we'll just rub it. Okay, oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Let's go. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves of the plants. Okay, this process means the photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves of the plants. Means plants have leaves, as we know. So this whole process, photosynthesis, the intake of carbon dioxide, intake of water, and all these things, sorry, not intake, I mean to say, the water is ingested, the carbon dioxide is in the plant, and the mixing of these two things, right? The mixing of these two things are is done in the green leaves of the plants. Okay, so let us study more. The food is prepared by green leaves of the plants in the form of simple sugar called glucose, as we learned here, C6H12O6. The food which is prepared by the green leaves means the food which is required to the plant, which is prepared in the green leaves, in it is in the form of simple sugar. Okay, now I'll just make you understand. See, if we need energy, what do we take? हमें सब पता है कि हमें यदि एनर्जी लगती है तो हम शक्कर का पानी लेते हैं या फिर ग्लूकॉन डी लेते हैं. एग्जैक्टली, ग्लूकॉन डी में है क्या? ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकॉन डी, ग्लूकोज, exactly. So simple sugar, in the form of simple sugar, it is a form of sugar, it is form of simple sugar, which is called glucose. Got it? So now we'll learn the extra glucose is changed is changed into another food called starch. Okay, the remaining glucose, which is as you have learned in your economics or ninth standard something something, you have learned the surplus, right? Surplus, what is meant by surplus? The unrequired items are called surplus. Means, I'll give you an example that if 350 grams of sugar we need per year, okay, it's an example, okay, per month, but we have 500 grams. So what is this? And if we need 350, so 500 minus 350, how much is it? Tell me in the comments. I'm not saying that. I don't know maths like this. I would say it is something 15. Okay, so it's 150. So 150 grams of sugar. So 150 grams of sugar is surplus, more than it. So the extra glucose, the surplus of this glucose, which plant doesn't require, are turned, changed into food called starch. Got it? Let's go. This starch is stored in the leaves of the plants. The green plants convert sunlight energy into chemical energy. Okay, the green plants convert this sunlight energy. We have studied that in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight energy. So this sunlight energy is formed or converted into chemical energy for making none other than carbohydrates. Okay, so now we'll see about the carbon dioxide gas enters the leaves from the plants through the stomata present on the surfaces. So stomata is the main point of this chapter, as the stomata is like the nose of the plant. Yeah, as we take in oxygen and throw out carbon dioxide, it is same like that, but it in just you can say, oh.